Hey friends, if you wish to add curtain transition in Microsoft PowerPoint, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So open PowerPoint and let's open PowerPoint by searching for it. I will create a new slide, a blank slide, and I'll delete the first one. I'll click on insert from this device, and I will insert my picture. Now, here's the reason I'm creating a tutorial on the curtain effect because it has been quite in demand. A lot of users wanted to know about it. This effect has gone popular. All you need to do is click in the slide, anywhere inside the slide, and then click on transitions. Now click on the downward pointing arrow here in this section transition to this slide, and you'll find the curtain effect under the exciting effects column. Okay, just do it and see. This is how it creates the curtain effect. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.